Hey guys, it's Gaming with Tony. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove people out of your post. So, basically you want to search up invisible right here. You want to search up invisible and we're gonna wait for that to load. Okay, yeah. After you search up invisible, you just wanna follow like this, because I'm following them. Then after you follow them, you can follow multiple of them if there's just more than 2 people in your post. So I'm gonna find a 2-person post. Okay. Can this thing load any faster? I'm sorry guys, my phone is just really laggy. Sorry about that. So yes, basically, you're gonna have a person with you, and the invisible person you want to tap on, you want to remove that person from your post, and you want to put the invisible person next to it. So then you just have yourself, and yeah, that's how you remove people for your post. I'm sorry, I didn't post yesterday, but tomorrow at 5 o'clock I will be playing Speed Draw on Roblox, so make sure to join me. And that's how you remove people from your post. I'm sorry if I was way too quiet. It's just that my